Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And in today's video, we're talking about the new beacon that Uber just launched. It's called Uber Beacon 2.0. So I'm gonna get into all of that. And if you're a rider or a driver for Uber or for Lyft, but especially for Uber in this video, you are going to want to watch this because this is going to change the way that Uber is going forward in the beginning. And there's a whole lot, but basically, well, I'll get into it in the video in a second. But before I get into it, guys, I just have to remind you to do me one simple favor. You can just be one simple, small little favor, and it is to hit that like button. It really does help me out a lot. It helps me out make better videos. So I just wanted to remind you to smash the like button, destroy the like button, and also destroy the subscribe button so you won't miss another video on Uber and Lyft. If you're a driver or a passenger, this is the channel for you. You know, I don't need to explain myself. We have hundreds of videos on how to be a better rideshare driver. You can go through the videos on your own time. It's pretty much education, mostly education, but also entertainment. You know, I go over my Lyft and Uber driver earnings. I go over my earnings on Play Octopus. I go over a bunch of different ways to make extra money. If you guys know me, I'm an entrepreneur. I am a part-time driver, and I like to share because this is basically the cornerstone of the way that I'm living my life right now is through rideshare. So they've helped me out a lot. They've helped me pay off debt for credit cards. They've helped me pay off my car loan. So now I currently own my car in cash. Well, I guess, you know, I own it. I don't have to make a car payment anymore. That's relief. So I wanted to just say thank you to Uber and Lyft for helping me out because, you know, that was a big blessing, you know, that I don't have a car payment anymore. But anyways, let's get into the video now. This is on TheVerge.com. Uber's new Beacon 2.0 helps avoid car mix-up and reminds you to wear your seatbelt. An update on the gadget first released in 2016. So this is the update. It's called Uber Beacon 2.0. But this is what it looks like. You know, this is what, if you guys have seen the Lyft amp, you know, this is basically, it's talking to drivers and to riders. Uber's introducing an updated version of its colorful beacon gadget according to a filing with the FCC. It's the Beacon 2.0. The digital display is meant to sit on the car's dashboard and will glow a specific color that riders chose in the app to help them find the right car in crowded situations. The beacon's digital display also reminds riders to wear their seatbelt, close door, ooh, this is a good one, close car doors gently, and exit curbside. Oh, that's a smart one too. I need to start reminding my passengers to exit curbside. The original beacon first rolled out in 2016. Let's take a look. This is when it first launched. You know, it's just a way, basically, if for riders, it's just, you know, a way for in the dark for passengers to see drivers. But look at this one, guys. It's gonna sit up. I mean, it's pretty much copying the Lyft amp. But select Uber drivers will begin to receive the beacon starting in early November. So next week. According to Uber's website, the device will be sent to drivers who are rated Platinum and Diamond in Uber Pro. So if you are Platinum or Diamond driver in Uber Pro, the company's rewards program, only drivers who operate in Shaw City, Denver, Las Vegas, and Washington, D.C. are eligible, but Uber plans to make the beacon available. So in my opinion, they're probably testing it out in these select cities, and then, you know, probably go nationwide after that. And it's kind of like a reward to get it, you know, if you are in the Diamond and Platinum. Let's just see exactly what Uber said on their website, though. So, yeah, guys, basically, it's basically helping riders locate drivers better. And it's, in my opinion, probably more for safety. And they did put it, what was that, into the filing, to the company filing, into the FCC. It's basically just a way for them to show that they're operating more safely. And as you guys might know, there have been a couple of cases where a driver actually got picked up the wrong passenger. There's a couple of passengers who have gotten into fake Uber cars, whatever you want to call it, people pretending to be Uber drivers, Lyft drivers getting in. And so this basically I mean, it would be nice to have this in every single car, like mandatory. That way, you know, because it would be really hard if you're to be a fake driver and get this. I mean, you would have to like really go out of your way to do that, to get one of those things. It would be nice to be like, oh, you don't have one of those things. Are you actually a driver? But regardless, it sounds like it's for safety. So let's see what Uber said on their website. Uber Beacon, your exclusive gift for the road. See it in action. Let's see it in action, guys. Helpful reminders. Oh, is it, did I just, no, is that the same thing? Ready to go. Go online with Beacon. Yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. Helpful reminders. Uber Beacon reminds riders to wear their seatbelt, blah, blah, blah. We just went over that. Smoother pickups, especially at night. So this is what it does look like at nighttime. Hey, what's up, guys? You can see me in the reflection. So it's almost got like an orange, pink tint, blue tint to it. Looks like it changes colors. Your pickups just got easier thanks to Beacon. Its color matching technology lets riders know to look for the color of your Beacon display. An exclusive Uber Pro gift. Select Uber Pro drivers will be receiving a Beacon soon. Look, so if you are in Uber Pro Diamond or Platinum in one of these markets, what were these markets? Chicago, Vegas, DC, and Denver. I think Chicago, Denver, Las Vegas, and Washington, DC. Here we go, yeah. Oh, I got them all right. I did remember. Building on, we're excited to introduce this updated blah, blah, blah. The original Beacon was an offshot of Spot, a product pilot launched by Uber in Seattle in 2015. Oh, have you guys seen Spot? I mean, what do you, I want to know your guys' opinions. Like, as a rider, do you think this is helpful for you to see a bright sign on the car? And as a driver, do you want that? I mean, my only concern is that it might be a little distracting for the driver, especially at night when they're driving and there's like a light. Like, I've actually, especially in Los Angeles, for whatever reason, there's a lot of light poles that are like low on light, I guess, or electricity, and or I don't know, whatever it is, and they're like flashing a lot of the, if you have driven in LA, especially at night, like, I'm sure you've come across this, or maybe in other select cities too, that there's just like lights are just flashing, and it's really, really dangerous because you're driving and you just see this flash. It's like the light is like about to go out or something. But my only concern is that when you're driving, the last thing I want is like a bright light shining in my face while I'm trying to concentrate on the road. So again, I am not in one of those markets, but that's my only concern. That's probably the biggest downside that I have thought of so far. So let me know your thoughts too. So let's finish up this really quick and I'll share my final thoughts. So, oh yeah, I wanted to look at Spot. So this was, oh, it was like a little thing on the side. Light your way to a smoother pickup. Pick a color to make your Uber's windshield. Oh, that's actually pretty interesting. So the rider would be able to, it looks like the rider would be able to tap the color to make sure it's their car. That's actually really interesting, I think. Or if not, that's what it should be. That awkward moment when you try to get into some random person's car because you think they're your Uber driver. Yep. Goes up to a random car we thought was Uber, pulls up and down, are you Uber? Guy, I don't do Uber, but I will tonight. Oh, yikes. I can't be the only, so you look at all these tweets. These are all tweets from people getting into the wrong car. So this is definitely a huge problem. I have never had this problem because if you guys know me, every single time I pull up to a passenger, I always keep my doors locked, roll down the window and ask them what their name is. Even if it's at a house. Yes, I know what you guys are thinking, wow, Dylan, that's so extra. I value my safety. I keep my doors locked, I roll the window down and I go, if they come up, I go, hey, are you here for an Uber or a Lyft? Whichever one I'm driving. And they'll go, yeah, and I go, okay, great, what's your name? I always make sure they tell me their name. I never say, oh, are you Susie, or hey, are you Rebecca? Because drunk people, they'll just, or even just shady people, they'll just be like, yeah, whatever. So I always make sure that they give me their name, that way I can see that it's matching up. So, yeah. Also, the first beacon was in clear need of an update, given it was designed to look like Uber's old Bit logo that was dropped in 2018. So they're just saying that Now it more closely resembles the AMP devices. Exactly. Uber has been tweaking its main product in its app in recent months in an effort to, yeah, basically, yeah, you guys know the gist of the story now. But basically, keep an eye out for that. If you do see it on cars, that's why. If you do want to get it, for now, you do have to be in those cities. Again, Washington, D.C., Denver, Las Vegas, and Chicago. And you need to be an Uber Pro Diamond or Platinum driver. So you guys know all the qualifications for that. But yeah, guys, so let me know your thoughts. Those are my thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great, amazing day. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye, guys.